For me, I've enjoyed a meal and the company of great people of Katsina. The only thing I miss is my predecessor in office, Buhari. And as Mr. Integrity, he has loved this state, committed himself to the development of this country and the progress of all. I wish him well. We have been fully entertained and I've enjoyed the evening. I won't tell you that I'm fed and I'm fed up. I am just happy, feeling at home because Katsina is a home to me. Well, on the issues mentioned by Aminu Masari, yes, security is a challenge. It's a challenge for this country right now. I address our men and women of the armed forces at the airport this afternoon, assuring them that we will do everything to fight terrorism and banditry. Yes, we will invest more in technology. We will take over all our forests. We must neutralize kidnapping, banditry, and terrorism. It was never like this before in Nigeria. But we will reverse the trend. It's not just a local problem, it is a national problem. We truly need investment to come into this country, not just only this community. Investment funding is always very cowardly. They will not follow where there is problem of terrorism, banditry, and kidnapping. We will solve the problem together. It's a promise. To the governors who are here, I believe we all can sit and talk national economic housing with this number that is here. From Sokoto, Yobe, Kwara, Kaduna, Jigawa, Borno, Benue, Yobe, but it's a joy to have you around. May God bless all of you and continue to guide you Nigeria is a success. The economy is turning around. It has bent the corner. When we started, it was challenging. I almost run away from watching the news or reading the newspapers. I just use courage and stay put on my decisions, believing that the ability of a leader to take a decision at the right time is the hallmark of leadership. We took it, we stay with it, and it will be rewarding. It is already bearing fruit. To our royal fathers, the Emir of Katsina, the Emir of Dara, thank you very much for the leadership and the mission. My old struggle mate, detention mate, Senator Abu Ibrahim, thank you for having a very good friend and a very solid loyalty in you. Thank you very much. I've listened carefully to the governor in a private discussion, and I've had necessary developmental program that's necessary for Katsina. You have very good people in the cabinet of the present day government, and you will continue to have them. They are working hard to make Nigeria a better place. They are very credible people, including the art and culture. I hope you get the recording of those very rewarding entertainments that we have now and put it on the media. And not you. Well done. You needed presidential intervention on the airport. I've taken note. And since it's all about job creation, empowerment, economic development, yes, we should. The resettlement of the victim of terrorism, we'll look into that, we'll participate collectively to give support to those who are affected. To strengthen the collaboration between the established communities and those who are affected. Yes, it is not easy to quickly remedy the weakness of the security system that is evolved over the years. But we are taking all necessary action to recruit more, train more, develop more, and equip our security forces, enhancement of technology, and promise of effective security surveillance, we will defeat terrorism in this country. To me, you are doing a good job developing Katsina with the promise of a great Nigeria. I am happy that I'm here. And by the grace of God, tomorrow, I will participate in the ceremony. So Ibrahim Masari, we meet in Abuja. Thank you very much.